create a LinkedIn post, something like this, in less than 2 minutes. Just visit this link. Over here, you can provide your name. So I'm just going to type Sanskar, capital. Then provide your profession. I'm going to say founder. Then type your handle. So I am Sanskar. So that's my handle. I'm just going to provide all this content to AI. And then going to click on generate LinkedIn post. I'll just wait a minute and I'll be right back. So as you can see, it is generated. I can scroll it down, but this is not the best view. This is actually made for our default thing. So MagicSlides is actually a presentation generation tool, but we're moving into all sorts of generation. So yeah, it's professional presentation, seconds, AI-powered efficiency, no blank slides, multiple formats, support, template variety, trusted by leaders, 3 steps. Sign up, paste your content, no credit card required, from outline to PPT, topic to slides, pitch deck, MagicSlides to PPT. Try it today. Beautiful, isn't it? Try it for your topic and let me know the results below. Share the link. I'll definitely make sure to hit a like or something from my LinkedIn. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.